Hi class, I want to give you a quick introduction to week two's homework problems. So this is week two, assignment two. The chapter that these homework problems are going to coincide with is completing the accounting cycle, which is chapter four. So basically for this chapter, we're going to have three assignments. We're going to complete a worksheet. We're going to prepare an income statement, equity statement, statement of owner's equity, and a classified balance sheet. And we're also going to, for the third example, prepare a classified balance sheet. So exercise 4.2 and exercise 4.3 will coincide. So basically we're going to make income statements. We're going to finish a worksheet from the adjusted trial balance. So from adjusted trial balance we can make the income statement and the balance sheet. So we'll see the worksheet, then we'll see how we can actually make financial statements. So for all homework assignments, we're going to have this worksheet. So when the assignment says please submit a template, this is the template you should be submitting. So click on that, and what happens is this pops up, and we have the tabs down here. So these are the three different problems. I went ahead and made these templates for you. So I just want you to get the gist of the assignment. So from the adjusted trial balance, we can see the debits equal the credits. From here we can make income statement and a balance sheet. So basically you can see what comes over the balance sheet accounts. These are balance sheet accounts, and these are income statement accounts. So just make sure that these total. This will be your net income figures, and these totals should equal, and these totals should equal. So that's actually your worksheet. Again, E42 and E43 use the same information, debit and credit columns for the income statement. Here we go. For the income statement, balance sheet should always equal. Again, the information can be found in chapter 2. So E43 is we're basically just going to take this information from the income statement and from the balance sheet and make financial statements. So remember from last week, all financial statements have 3-line headers. Here's the first, here's the first part, the third part, and put the name of the financial statement here. So this will be income statement, this will be your statement of owner's equity, and this will be your balance sheet. Again, this figure, total equity, total liabilities and equity, should match this total assets. So total assets should always equal total liabilities and owner's equity. That's your check right there. You're going to use these figures that you get from here. So they're all here. You're going to basically, this is going to be your revenue account, this is going to be your expense account, and use the example in the textbook. It gives you an example of how to work a worksheet. Again, this is not a requirement. Well, it is for the class, but the actual worksheet is not a requirement for the accountant, but it sure makes making the financial statements a lot easier. E416, we're going to make a balance sheet. This is called a see how this balance sheet's it's more of a classified balance sheet, kind of the same thing. So I want to get you another example of making a balance sheet. You have current assets, you have long-term investments, plant, property, and equipment. So you can have a figure here, and you can subtract. This, you can put the depreciation here, and this will be your net figure. So for example, you'll have this minus this, and that'll give you your net figure. So total assets over here should equal total liabilities and equity over here. So 3 problems, not super hard. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Certainly post that in the problem solutions thread, and I'll make sure I'll put this in the classroom as well as email it. Thanks again.